Hello and welcome to my organic Macon, Georgia garden. I'm Lisa Ann Spencer. Thank you for stopping by. I'm sitting down in the afternoon on my back porch having some coffee and a little chocolate. We've had a busy work day here today, so this is going to be a real short video. I'm going to take you out to the garden briefly and show you where I harvested the lettuce. And I also harvested a few broccolis and cauliflowers yesterday. So I'm going to snap a few photos of those and show them to you. And I got some pepper plants transplanted yesterday. We butchered 3 roosters today. That took a big chunk out of our day. So anyway, just wanted to give you a little update on what's happening around here in the garden. Salad washing is a big chore. I harvested the whole row of lettuce, as you will see in just a few minutes. And then I took a few video clips of the process of washing, sorting, spinning, and packaging lettuce. So I hope that entertains you and educates you. And for now, let's go out to the garden. Here's a faded rose. Here's a pretty one. Oh, lovely. So beautiful. My grapes right here are looking kind of buggy. But up closer to the root, they look great. And maybe you can see little clusters are starting to bloom out. That's fun. I did pull some of the parsley out, or actually rain did. Just couldn't hardly stand it anymore. It was looking so bad. And we've harvested beets 3 or 4 times, so you can see that the row has been kind of wiped out a little bit. Here's the cauliflower row, and I pulled the ones out that I harvested, so they're gone. There's a cauliflower that I chopped off, and there's quite a few left that aren't quite big enough yet to harvest. The carrot row is here. I pulled out all the radishes. I'll take a picture of the yellow radishes that I grew. Half of them did great. They were one variety, and the other half did not do so great. Here's the lettuce row. You can see that it's been given a shave. The temperatures are supposed to be 45 degrees tonight, so the lettuce may actually recover and grow and get one more harvest. I put up my asparagus fence yesterday to keep the asparagus out of the way, so I can walk down this path, and right next to me on the right you can see the potatoes, how big they're getting. Of course, the kale there looking super nice, and there's my shadow. The cabbage is almost ready to harvest. Not quite. And the muscadine, not much change. Little clusters. And aphids. See those aphids? They are the bane of my existence here. I'll give those a spray with some dish soap. The onions are monstrous tall. And I pulled out the carrots, as I said I would, and planted my pepper plants here. So 2 Barupa bells, those are the chocolates, 3 college peppers, which are supposed to be a sweet chili, and then 3 buckshot, heirloom hot pepper. Let me back up and you can see my bean teepee, so-called teepee, right? It's just a tomato cage, but the beans are running up it. And I'm not looking to get a great harvest. I just want to let them grow and make some seeds. And aphids. Aggravating. The garlic beneath looks really, really good. I think it's going to be ready to go in about 4 weeks or less. And there stands the Swiss chard, still looking as beautiful as ever. So it's very quiet over here today because 3 roosters are gone. No crowing. A little sad, but we'll have chicken and dumplings very soon. All right, panorama. Today I have harvested and am washing lettuce. I've harvested the whole row of lettuce and now I'm washing and picking through lettuce with some help. And this is the final rinse. I'm about to start the spin dry. Alright, so next step is to fill up my big spinner and spin it dry. Right, let's go over to the table. Got some bags ready here.
That's what you do?
Yep, that's what I'm doing. All right, so got these little veggie bags, and in goes the lettuce.